Let our voices reach all nations far and wide, sharing love and sacrifice is our constant guiding light. Lionism, our immortal pride. With every step, we're standing side by side. Love and service to all mankind.